The ASUS NUC 15 Pro Plus Mini PC delivers flagship performance in an incredibly compact Toolless silver aluminum chassis. This full-system powerhouse features the Intel Series 2-core Ultra 9 285H processor that dominates demanding professional applications and creative workflows. The included 32GB DDR5 RAM handles intensive multitasking without compromising responsiveness. American professionals appreciate the blazing fast 1TB SSD that provides instant boot times and rapid file access. Thunderbolt 4 connectivity enables high-speed data transfer and external GPU expansion for versatile workflow possibilities. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 provide cutting-edge wireless connectivity for modern office environments. The premium Toolless silver aluminum construction enables easy upgrades while maintaining elegant aesthetics for modern workspaces. VESA mount compatibility allows discrete placement behind monitors or under desks to maximize valuable desktop real estate. Compact dimensions fit comfortably in crowded workstations, home offices, and mobile setups without sacrificing capability. Intel's advanced Series 2-core Ultra architecture delivers exceptional performance for energy-conscious professionals. The robust thermal design maintains stability during sustained workloads without excessive fan noise disrupting concentration. Multiple USB ports and display outputs support diverse peripherals and multi-monitor configurations for expanded productivity. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed for immediate productivity without additional software purchases. Whether powering through video editing, software development, or data analysis, this mini PC exceeds expectations. The ASUS NUC 15 Pro Plus represents Taiwanese engineering excellence adapted for American professional environments that demand maximum performance in minimal spaces.